Alright, Putin moves south. Struggle for the Eurasian heartland. Turn 2, coalition action. I did 2 off screen. I did 2 actions off screen. Actually, both sides did a reinforcement action. The NATO side did great, rolled a 6. Pulled on a little bit of everything, I think. Another NATO missile unit. A PRC SF unit. As a matter of fact, this one right here, right there, PRC SF unit, strength of 1. And then some others, but equal mix of types. And then the Russian Confederation did the same thing, did a reinforcement action, but they only rolled a 2. And I know they brought on an Iranian fighter unit, and then they brought on a what was the other one? I can't remember what the other one was. All right, big difference, 6 versus 2. Let's see. Oh, TN. I showed the PRC SF unit there. TN abbreviation is Tigers of the North. Name or designation of that SF unit. Okay. This video is going to be all about ground combat. But first, the 9 Alpha 52-4 multiple rocket launcher, range of 90 kilometers. Main weapon, it says 120, 220, and 300 millimeter. And there it is again, truck mounted. Alright, 6 of spades. There we go, Russian equipment card. Alright, here. Let's see, this is an action. I'm declaring, I'm attacking Bishket. This hex right here. Now it is a city, but not a mega city. Mega city would be black blocks, but these are white blocks. So it's a city, it's a major base, that's the black soldier silhouette, and the star means it's also a capital. So those 3 things together, otherwise the terrain is clear. Defending is a garrison unit, strength 1, and a Kyrgyz infantry corps at strength of 2. I'm attacking with the 47th PRC corps here that is complex terrain capable. That's the mountain triangle. That's what I think of anyways. There. Now right away, the the complex terrain capable quality of the attacker means that the one left shift of the attacking into a city is what I mean. So attacking into a city, this will negate 1 leftward shift. Now a city is 1 leftward shift, so basically this PRC corps is able to negate the advantage of the city. But I believe the major base also, yeah, I think the major base also confers a left 1 shift. So right away we're starting off with a 1 left shift, which is in the defender's favor, as is typical. Alright, ground combat, I'm declaring this. I'm designating the defending hex, Bishket there. It's a city, as I've explained. Designate the attacking units. So it's this one. I guess they don't mean support yet. Or do they? Oh. No, because those don't change the initial odds calculation. So there we go. So it's 3 to 3. 3 PRC unit against 2 and 1 for the defenders. So it's obviously 1 to 1. Now we go to, that's funny. I'm going to go ahead and pay for the attack right now. It's just 1 for the 1 ground unit. Attack with 1 regular unit. Yeah. So I'm going down from 10 to 9. Coalition. Okay, odds 1 to 1. Determine column shifts for SF and air units. They forgot to show terrain. All right. Column shifts, defenders terrain. There we go. So -1 or left 1 for the major base there. Yeah. So we're already at left 1. So we're already down to 1 to 2. And this is not a concentric attack. Close air support. Okay. Let's get into this. PRC now. Close air support's got to be the same nationality as it has to be PRC, because first of all your CAS has to be from one contingent. That's an odd it's an odd thing, by the way. Alright, so there. I'm committing 1. By the way, the air units are committed prior to SF commitment. I'm doing that now. The attacker commits first, then the defender. Okay, but what I was getting at is that okay, so a NATO fighter could not participate here because there's no NATO unit involved. Okay, okay. Well, actually, I'll do the defenders next, how I'm supposed to do it. All right. Oh, wait. No, it is now because this is just, I'm committing 1 PRC fighter. Now we go to the defender. What I'm wondering is, can this Kazakh air unit contribute to the Kyrgyz defense here? The question being, are they of the same contingent? In other words, are the 3 Central Asian republics that are friendly to Russia, that is Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, and where's the other one? Uzbekistan, are they 3 considered one contingent? So could this Kazakh fighter defend here? If it could, it would cancel out the PRC fighter. All right, I'm not going to go ahead and do that, but I'm wondering. And for that matter, how do you handle CAS for the I don't know. I just don't know. Alright. Now we'll go to the now we'll go to SF commitment. Here's where we would choose in secret. This is real quickly, I'm not going to go into details. I talked about this before. I'm deciding that I think I am missing something. There's no bluffing. There's no big surprises. I think I'm just going to be optimizing for both sides, which is okay. I talked about this in the last video, so that's what I'm referring to. I didn't want to start the discussion again, but I'm just going to optimize. Okay, so SF. You're supposed to do it in secret. I'm not doing it in secret here. Now SF. Now NATO SF can contribute here. So let's just go ahead and use the Jasodov there like that. And then let's say, now the Russian SF unit, I do believe the Russian SF unit can help there. Now, what do we got? -1 or left 1 shift for the terrain, and then we have these all, I think they all basically, so it's 2 to 1, 2 to 1 in the coalition's favor. They get a very average 3, which is DR. Okay, I believe that they can, no, they can't. So does that, DR is defender retreats, a mobile unit, 1 hex. I'll just go straight back onto the, yeah. Flip any garrison unit to the attacker's side, like that. And then I think I can advance with 1 unit. Where is that? Advance after combat is not an action, does not require expenditure of MP, maybe into or through EZOX. Alright, so he's definitely going to advance. Yay! This also, I'll pick this up again in the next video.